Hello everyone. Welcome to another Java class. Today we are going to see another interesting topic in Java. And the title of today's topic is handling events in Java. So let's start. Have you ever had an experience of misplacing your books? Well, I had many experience. I have a lot of books with me. Sometimes I misplace them and I search my drawer, my shelf, my bag, I can't find them. I'm sure you too had the same experience. What's the problem? Why do we always don't find our books? You are right. You carry too many books with you. You have your notebook. You have your textbooks. You even have your reference book. And that's not the end of it. You even carry the assignment books. And naturally, you misplace them. When we build a Java application, as the application becomes larger, there are many classes within an application. And there are chances that we may misplace some of the classes. How to solve this problem? Fortunately, Java has an interesting technique. And that technique is called as packages. We are all familiar with it. So what is a package? Well, a package is a container that contains related classes. That's not the end of it. Packages can contain other packages inside it. So we say that you have a package and you can have a sub-package within an existing package. So how do you define a package? We can define a package as it's a container that contains related classes and sub-package within it. We are all familiar with the notion of a class in Java. A class is nothing but a blueprint that contains member variables and member functions. Classes are used to derive objects. So we look at a student and we create a class to represent a student, and using this class we derive a student object. In the same way, we get the properties and methods of an employee and create an employee class. Using this class, we can create an employee object. So far, we have a notion that the class is a representation of an entity. For example, we look at a student, we look at all the attributes of a student, we look at all the properties of a student, and then create a class to represent those properties and the methods. In the same way, we can also create an employee class. By developing the programs, we have seen that it is possible to place an if statement inside the other if statement, and we call that as a nested if. In the same way, we can put a for loop inside the other for loop, and we call that as a nested for loop. Taking the same analogy, can we think of putting a class inside another class? So we have a bigger class and we have a smaller class. Can we think of putting a smaller class into this bigger class? Fortunately, Java provides you with that option. So you can create a class inside the other class. And what do we call such a class as? The class that is placed inside a bigger class is called as a nested class. Generally, we don't provide a name for that nested class. The classes which does not have a name associated with it is called as an anonymous class. So we place an anonymous class inside an existing class. So that's very simple, isn't it? Just recall your school days. When the last bell rings, we used to pack our bags and run away from the school. So when the bell rings, we pack and run away. Ringing a bell is nothing but happening an event. So when an event occurs, you used to take an action. Event could be your birthday. Just recall your birthday again. So when your birthday arrives, an event occurs. And what the action you take? You wear new dress, you distribute sweets to your friends. Same analogy is used in Java programming. When an event occurs, our program responds to that event. This notion of responding to an event is called as event handling in Java. When we program in Java, event occurs when the user interacts with our GUI component and our program responds to such an event. And we use inner anonymous classes to respond to the user actions. Interesting, isn't it? We are going to explore more about it in our future classes. So stay with me and I'm going to teach you how to program event handling in Java using anonymous inner classes. Before we conclude, let us summarize what we have learned today. In today's class, we have learned what is an inner class. A class that is placed inside the other class is called as an inner class. We have also learned what is an anonymous class. An anonymous class is a class without a name. We have also learned about an event. Event is nothing but an action a user performs on GUI component. We have also come to know the mechanism that is used to handle an event. So, in our future classes, let us try to program event handling in Java using inner classes. Thank you for your interest and stay connected with me. Please subscribe to my channel by pressing that bell icon so that you get my future updates as and when I post my videos. Thank you for your attention.